Are we good now? I was like, oh, guys, you should have seen the intro. Are we good? Put a one in the chat. Bro, you should have seen this intro. Good morning, other gang. Let's play the tune, guys.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
All right. Good song, eh? What's going on, Otter Gang? Good morning. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. So what I'm trying to do is figure out how to stream to X and YouTube at the same time. I don't know how to do it. I'm just messing around. There's like a producer studio. My God. I just want to trade, man. But I think it would be smart to stream on both. What do you think? Should I stream on both? I think I should. And it's Jesse Havoc or Jellic. Yep. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, putting up with my my tardiness. Obviously, I always show up. I've shown up for over 3 years, and I've been late once, legit late once, But I don't know how to set it up. So like this, Streamlabs goes to. I have the premium version, so I can stream to both, but I don't know how to. And then I got producer studio. I have the producers. I don't know how to. I know the stream key. I got to do some research. I just tried to wing it this morning, like an absolute knob cheese. So obviously it didn't work, and here we are. So we're back to normal. Oh man, what's going on, everybody? What a choppy day yesterday and coming into today, and that should be your like minimum expectations when we have news data, especially something like the FOMC. We have JOLTS job openings for October and September, so very delayed. And then the FOMC. Are we going to be dovish, hawkish? They're going to cut. We know they're going to cut. However, how does he come out? Or is he going to come out? Well, we don't have enough monetary policy data, and the data doesn't, is a little, So, yeah, I got to get Dave Digital on here as well. Dave Digital is going to come and trade Asia with me. Do you want to do it tonight? Do you want to do it tonight there, Dave? You want to have a hot date and trade some Asia with me, man, or what? I don't know. We'll figure it out. I can't even figure out how to stream on multiple platforms, and I've been doing it for 3 years. Oh, all night long. I don't know, Dave. We can wing it. I don't have StreamYard. I don't use StreamYard. I think StreamYard is. I don't know. I know how to. I kind of know how to do it on Streamlabs, where you can have a guest. I can give you like an invite here. Somewhere in here, I can add it. Sources, and then I can add you collab cam. That's it right there. You see that bastard? And I invite you, and I can highlight your amazing face. We'll get you on here because your family, man. Your family, and you got to show me your strategies. StreamYard is way easier. Okay, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. I've said good morning to half of you already. You just didn't hear me. Rashad Muckin, Kathy, good to see you. Shanti, Alexandra G, Shreyann, good to see you. Curtis Hill, JB, good morning, guys. Good to see you. Mark, how's it going, Mark? Loco, Keen Bean, Curtis Hill, good morning, guys. Good to see you. Jesse, Shep, Decent Crypto, Trace, Dolny Soprano. Retested previous highs here coming in. I prefer the block a little bit lower here. We also got to go over the trades. Yesterday I made $5,300 yesterday. I'm done for the week. That's a good week for me. I've increased my size. I'm a grower and a shower. So the winning days are oomphed, you know? Mr. Maha, Bobby, Rad, Curtis Hill, my man, Skull Tattoo. Good to see you guys. Guff, Curtis Hill, Curb Star, my man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Decent Crypto. You guys, thank you for sorry. Isaac, good morning. I did sleep pretty well nonstop. I'm gonna get so do you know how I started? Okay, this is how I started it. I went, good morning, Otter Gang. And I said, I'm getting a haircut today. And then I went like this. And then I did, it was like full on vertical. Now it's not going to work. It was like, and I was like, ancient astronaut theorist. It was actually a great intro. Now you got half-ass AlexOCrypto, so it was good. I promise you that. I enjoyed it because I'm the only one who saw it. Oh, man. Bernie, good to see you, man. Gear, Crypto Titan, Jack, good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Loser. Yeah, I absolutely failed. More exposure, yeah. Yeah, I think I should stream on X as well. Are you in StreamYard? Yeah, you can help me? That would be great, but I'm not in StreamYard, bro. Streamlabs, man. Have a great day and lucrative trades. Thank you, Scree. Thank you for being here. Jesse, good morning. Rashad, Nick, good morning to ya. StreamYard is way easier, yeah. But StreamYard looks like shite. Henny, Dusty, Hendy, what's going on, man? Good to see you. What? Not Banksy. What's going on? Afternoon. Kevin McGee. Greetings from Norwich, England. Hello, you're right. It's Tuesday, mate. I am the biggest consumer of custard creams. They must be the custard creams though from Tesco because they're double dunkable. If you go to like, man, my mother-in-law's best friend, she's from Worcester. She brought me some little LIDL. It's like another. It's like the Wish.com version of custard creams. And I'm telling you, they were broken. You dunk it, they would like fall off in the tea. Get the spoon. Get this, mama. Get the spoon. Kevin McGee, who was that? You gotta know that. You're British AF, man. Get the spoon. You guys know? Have you guys ever seen that comedy skit? Whenever you lose the biscuit into the tea and it falls in, get the spoon. Anyways, you guys, if you're British, you know. If you're British, you know. Oh, man. Devastating. Or you just go for the, like, I'm a tough man. Scorch your fingers and scoop it up and just eat it like a savage. I do that one, too. What's going on, Andy? AlexOCrypto. Good to see you. Hell yeah. Good to see you as well. I should stream on Twitch. Maybe. We'll see. Charles, Nathan, Newbie. Good to see you. 8 Breath. Hesse. Good morning, Milan. Jax. Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Do you see a Q-mill pattern? What's a Q-mill pattern? Good to see you, Marion. How you doing? Okay, so wanted to review the day. I don't know if Nonstop's in the chat. Nonstop, hopefully you're here. If not, he can rewind. And he asked, how did I make my 5K yesterday? So this is how. Okay, so obviously after the stream, we had the SFP here. We took that for $500. We took the SFP on Solana here for $1,300. So we're up 17. Okay, and here we were looking in the Discord for a break and retest continuation trade. I took one here on the crawl up. So I just took a little bit of a crawl up trade here. I thought this wasn't sufficient, but the candles and the CVD showed me strength in the move here. So we could see that CVD is increasing, right? So there's strength in here. So I just bought the chop. You know, I think I made how much was that one? That was $700, and then we came up into here. We broke in here, and then I shorted here and took this down for the rest of the night. Happy days. So I don't think Nonstop had this level that we gave on the live stream from yesterday, but obviously it was perfect. It was pretty perfect. Shout out to the gang, man. You guys have absolutely crushed it lately. And the levels, right? The levels have been that pink box level, yesterday's level. Do we have the updated level for you guys? Yeah, we did right there. There's our updated level. This one, that's Solana. Yeah, there's the updated level. So you had see how long you had this level for? You went down, and then you came back up, and then you hit the sell wall. Anyways, played out perfectly. We did a couple videos yesterday. We talked about how to recognize strength in a move. The lessons are nonstop. Yeah, different ways to recognize strength. Price action, orb, hunting liquidity, how to use that. The Discord's just on fire. And then you don't trade anymore because you don't want to give it back, right? So where are we now? It's always the question. So whenever you come to the charts, you got to pretend you're lost, right? I think that's the way I would put it. It's like, where are we now? Double bottom. Golden pocket, barely. Balloon dog. Okay. Nice little mouth on this guy. A little schnauzer, right? This guy looks great. A little happy dog. Happy dog here. And can we consolidate and break out? That is the question, right? Because trend is up from here. Okay. Obviously, we rolled over yesterday, but this isn't like devastating. Golden pocket retracement into order block, rejection down, bullish divergence, mitigation of the high, retest, probably a golden pocket here for all of you London traders. You guys should have all been looking here. You London traders, I hear you. You guys had a perfect golden pocket retest continuation trade this morning. So you guys should technically, all you London traders, you guys should all be long from here, in my opinion. All of you. There's no excuse. This is perfect setup. This is a number 2 that we teach in the Discord. You got bullish divergence, mitigation of the high, retest back in. Number 2, bounce, continuation trade. So you all should be long from here. This is what we teach. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Maybe not from there, but you guys should all be long. If you're up that early, you Londoners with your jammy dodgers. What's wrong with the mic today? Is the mic okay? Everybody? Is the mic okay? Put a 1 in the chat. Okay. You all should be long from here, mate. All right? Good. Thank you. Okay, Jesse. Jesse, you tripping me out, man. You tripping me out. Do we see it now, my friends? All right? Do we see why we should be long now? Mitigation, continuation, right? It's simple structure, right? And of course I'm zoomed in here, so on 12 minutes, a 12-minute break. This is your 12-minute trade setup. Low to high, golden pocket, continuation. You're already up 1% because you're absolutely crushing it. So where are we at now? Right, that's fine and dandy. It's fine and dandy, AlexOCrypto. You're really helping me out there with your forecast. Well, we're in the same rejection zone now. However, it's been tapped once. Okay, so it's not as strong. Okay, whenever you've knocked on the door, it gets a little bit weaker every time, right? So am I looking here for a short? No, not really. Am I looking for a little retracement continuation? Oh yeah, right? Continuation up. This thing looks like it has some oomph. Nice SFP. We were looking for the SFP into this buy level yesterday, and we just chopped it and then continued, rejected, back down, SFP. There's your bull div, right? Not to be a rocket scientist, Harry Potter, right? You got your lower low and your higher low. Okay, there's your bull div. Bull divs typically return to where they started. Generally. That's a general rule. So we can look for price action to come up and attack the liquidity of the high. You guys got me on my British banter. Shout out to my wife. I don't know how she puts up with me. It's probably why she takes the piss so often. So literally, where are we at? You guys are going to know exactly what I'm going to put on the chart if you've been here for a while. We're in sausage. We're in the Sausageville. Oh, man. So this is where we're at. I don't like when we start in Sausageville at the beginning of the stream because it's really a lot of chop here. What I would look for is a return back into the liquidity here and a continuation. So I'd like a slap down into here. I would like a breakout continuation trade into the highs here. Liquidity. Okay, so we know where that is, and we know where this one is. And this one, I guess. Oh, chart prime, calm down. It's too early for chart prime indicators, man. You ever flip on your chart prime and be like, whoa, okay, calm down, pussycat. Just too much. Holding standard deviation 1 here, trying to push. Doge hanging man engulfing candle continuation. NASDAQ looks like short, mate. However, NASDAQ, when we zoom out, yes, I know there's a lot of lines on my chart. When we zoom out, and I should get rid of these. When we zoom out, what can we see? We can see an uptrend, okay? Very clearly uptrend. However, it's very janky with this equal high double top up here. So that's what it looks like, coming back for liquidity. if this then that. We know jobs is coming out today from September and October, so a little bit late for Piper's liking. I think he's upset about that, and I think he's also upset about Piper's not going to get a PP in his eye this week. Right, Piper? Did they say they're canceling the PP in the eye? Good to see it, Piper. Paul P. Mihai, good morning. D Crypto. Rashad, nonstop, good to see you. You didn't have the second level. Dang. Damn. Yeah, that level was, well, clearly you can see this fire. Perfect rejection off of our sell wall. And it remains the same. So we were looking at it yesterday, right? And it's important to pick your fights, right? We're looking at this level yesterday, and we're like, okay, we can look for an orb retest and rejection, which was right here. We had orb right here, and I was like, yeah, I'd rather this. You can see where the cluster. This is an order block, right? This cluster of liquidity. So typically, you're going to come back and fill that and return back down, and have a nice move there. That's why we were originally going to look here on the live stream, but we're like, no, let's put it higher because we want Mr. Golden Shower here, Golden Pocket inclusion, right? We want to stack confluences. That's going to be a nice little push here. SFP of the high. Short. Enticing to short here. It's just I need it to take something. It's not taking liquidity right now. It's taking the liquidity out of this high, but this would be better. Nice push. Solana trying to go. No, Solana looks really bad lately. See how weak Solana looks in comparison to Bitcoin? It's not the greatest to trade right now. Ethereum looks strong. Okay. Getting a little bit overextended here on the 12-minute. 24 is overextended. We'll go over top-down analysis. I typically like to wait till 9. Or in your case, 9 o'clock. In my case, 7 o'clock. Mountain Standard Time, man. It's a whole trip. It's a trip, man. What's going on, Piper? French Toaster in here. What, Wick's wife? How you doing? Good to see ya. Good morning. Thank you for dropping by. Mr. D Jeep. Loud and clear. Good. That's where I longed. Good job. Good job, AC. You talking about it in here? Yeah, because we were chopping so much yesterday on our buy level. So we were all looking for longs here, but it was just like I needed some sort of proof, and this dump here was sufficient enough to show me continuation out, and this was painful. However, the chop in here was the area where you want to buy the lower part of the chop. Whenever you have decided on direction. So I said we're looking for longs here. I want continuation first, obviously liquidity to come and take at the highs. Whenever you're chopping here, you want to just draw a line, guys. Draw a line at the bottom of the candles. Okay? And you do not want a long at the top. You want to long at the bottom of the chop. Right here. Okay? Or even this low. Right? You want to see the chop established. So you push out, you start to chop. That's where you want to get in here so you can have a good R multiple. And then you want to target liquidity, and target. Okay? Very simple. Right? Because if you don't buy the bottom of the chop, you're typically buying the top of the chop because it's not a big movement, right? Right? And you're always waiting for this guy. This guy's always the fun one, especially when it's moving the way it is right now. This looks like continuation now. This looks like it's going to continue up, right? We come down halfway down the candle. There's a perfect wick test right now. Wick test continuation up into this high here. Okay. If you know, you know. If you're going to buy the chop, you want to sell the top or you want to buy the bottom. You treat it like a range, especially as a scalper. Jeff Star, good morning, crypto dog. What up, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Nathan. Welsh Jesse, good morning. Trace. STL, good morning. Good to see you, Shep. Async. Felipe. Like the video, he says. What do you guys, what's the likes at? You guys, rookie numbers. Always rookie numbers in the morning. You guys are very, very slacking. Yeah, we rookie numbers, man. 80 likes, 340 people in here. Whatever, guys. I'm going to go and trade somewhere else. Maybe we just go to the Discord.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though.
Let me rug everyone. Yeah, that's always a funny one, right? There's 205 votes on the poll. Everybody wants to tell me how long they've been trading, not how long they've been lurking. This week looks pretty good. The weekly, yeah, we got a green dot on the weekly and a positive close. Not bad. Yeah, heat map has it burns when it pees at 94K. Yeah. Good morning, Sesk. French Toaster, Duality, Patrick Swayze, good morning. Charles. How about Arrow? We were looking at Arrow in the Discord, right? Arrow on the daily, right? I like the bull div in here. So it's going to take a little bit of time here. Yeah. Bitcoin needs to lead, right? That's the thing. Bitcoin needs to lead. So until Bitcoin leads, nothing, right? We're going into a very data-driven week. Okay, that's an SFP. Didn't take the high. Interesting. Coming back into the range. That's an SFP. Weird that it didn't take that high. Here comes some volume. I like volume. Volume in the morning. Needs to close back below. Needs to close below in here. Considering a short here. Back down to the liquidity in here. Bear divs. Overextended. It's got bullish momentum on its side, but maybe just a quick scalp, something like this. Just a little 1-to-1. We'll see. I like that volume. Green dot, VWAP coming in. 3-minute rollover. I mean, it could turn into this. Yeah, let's go. Let's take it. We're short. TP1 hit. Stop loss to entry. Half a position size here. Not trying to risk it for the biscuit. Just that momentum to the downside here. See if we can roll over. I'm trying to pay for golf today. I'm going to go and hit some golf balls. I'm going to get a haircut today. I'm going to hit some golf balls. I also got a shoulder appointment because my shoulder's absolute. I've blown my shoulder out since I was like 18 playing baseball. I'm finally going to hopefully Canada does some surgery on it. My rotator cuff's gone. Like I can't throw like I used to. I just threw so many like 12-6 curveballs as a kid that I think that motion from the coming across like has ruined me. Oh, this is for all the people who say don't short. They can suck a big D. Oh man. Nice momentum. Little hover up top here, rotation down. GG's in the chat. Nice little scalp. There's half a position size. I didn't hammer this thing. You're fading pretty move. I mean, clear liquidity over. Whenever you get imbalance like this, we talk about imbalance a lot in the Discord. Whenever you get imbalance like this, okay, you've moved up aggressively here and you haven't really come back for this block here. So you're overextended in some way. So can you take liquidity, get everybody excited? Retail's buying this, by the way. Retail's all hammering the hot dog zone, right? They love sausage, man. In middle of the range, you don't want to totally like this could SFP here and bounce up after tapping this block, right? So I'm naturally just gonna trail here. I don't care to make a ton of money off of this. $150, happy days. Just like it's just you can see it here. So like when price action does this, right? So naturally as a trader, right, you have your liquidity sweep, right? You have your bounce up. So what are you looking for? You get your bullish divergence, push out, retrace, continuation. So this is where you're really looking along. You're looking for this thing to come down and show you proof in the pudding right here. So that's the long. But on your way up, you're supposed to be counter trading yourself. So when you move up this aggressively, this right here should be your first area that you're interested in. And look at what happens, right? So imbalance, Swing low to swing high gives you the golden pocket, which matches up with your imbalance. So this should be where you're looking to long this sucker up. Okay? Does that make sense to everyone? That should make sense to everyone, right? So you're setting a trap, right? You're the patient, you're the turtle. Be the turtle. Let price come to you. You smack this. Look how fast you get paid. Bam, you're out. Right? Look how fast you get paid. Look how fast we got paid today. Right? Happy days. I like getting paid quickly. I don't like sitting in trades long. You guys know that. Right? Don't be a dick for a tick. Take it off. There we go. There's $162. Nice way to start the morning, right? Great short, everybody. GG's in the chat. Everybody's happy. Happy days. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Because you got to be able to see this in order to make this. You got to understand liquidity, right? Liquidity in here. Sweep, enticing buyers, overextended. Yeah, very good. Good trade. Good patience. Good execution. Happy days. Making more and more sense, everyone. I'm on here. Good to see you, Jax. Good morning. Trade Intuition. Good morning. Chadwick. Bearded Mac. Shoulder surgery is painful. Make sure they give you a block. Yeah. I ain't no namby-pamby. Guys, we're all pre-rich here. I should have hammered this now looking at it, of course. You get like, man, you execute a good trade and then it does this. Bitcoin's going to zero. Guys, we're all pre-rich now. Great trade. Fucking phenomenal trade. Look how fast we got paid too. My God. Everybody here rich. Put a 2 in the chat if you got short. Let's go on Trade Intuition. Good to see you guys. You're pre-rich. I'm future poor. Let's go. Oh, man. Good job, offshore. Offshore is crushing it. Good job, guys. Good job, everybody. Now do I 400 people in here. Now have I earned your like now? Do I get a little bit of compensation? Is there a compensation package for my like button now or what? Let's go one more time. I'm going to close mine out here. I'm happy with that. That's a great move, man. I'd rather re-enter now. I'm a happy boy. Or a happy man. Sorry, I'm a man. I identify as Lord Otter and King Beaver, everybody. Please address me with my appropriate pronouns. Happy days. On to the next one. Uptrending momentum, golden pocket 786 sweep right now. Tips, good morning, good to see you. Vegas Club, good morning, Master Otter. People call me Daddy Otter. Trench just calls me Daddy Otter. You call me Master Otter. Lord Otter, King Beaver. Bitcoin is power to the people. Was in longs and closed on your short. Good job, man. Good job. Hey, man. Taking profit. That's the key. We have more downside. Perfect, man. I love that. My poor nouns, yeah. Good morning, Refund. Jesse. Ottery G. Canadi, good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out here. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. And let's continue on our way here. Little bounce level here for Bitcoin. We'll see if it does want to retest previous lows. Continue down. That would be the short if you're looking to add. Okay, you could get a little recovery here and continuation. So good trade. Nice little move this morning. Oh, yeah, we'll take that all day. Happy days. Happy days, baby. $182 to start the morning. Who doesn't like $180, man? We just made a carpenter's wage in less than 5 minutes. You know? What was that? 1, 2, 3. So 9 minutes. We just made $180. If you made $180, and let's say you work 365, let's say you work 300 days of the year. You've just made 54 grand a year. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I mean, yesterday I did. I wish. I wish I could do that every day. $5,400. That'd be a nice salary, wouldn't it? It was a good day yesterday. I always aim to get around $500 to $1,500 per day. So you can. Yesterday I did 54. So you can. I've done 4 days of work yesterday. I should just retire today, but I can't help it. I've been seeing it well since the big dump, but I try not to get too up or too down. Here you go. If you guys aren't following Rips, this guy's no joke here. This guy does like $60,000 days. This guy has already made $270,000 for December, okay?
I can't think of another profession where you can make 7 figures over the course of a few days. Trading is one of the best things that can happen to you if you stick with it. It truly is, and I mean that. Trading is one of the things that truly, if you stick with it, will give you blessings beyond your wildest dreams. I can't think of another profession where you can make 7 figures over the course of a few days, 7 figures in a single trade, 6 figures in a decent trade. It all depends on what your nut is too, right? If your nut is $5,000 a month, you can work towards that over the years and easily slide into something that feels right. It will take you a lot of time, and by time I mean years.
Years.
Do remember that. I can't think of another profession.
I saved that for you guys today. You know, you wanna pick people. You wanna pick people who are doing better than you. Like my theory is you want to have one hand reaching up and one hand reaching down. Okay, so you want to try and help people get to where you're at, but you also want to strive to be where other people are at. Okay. Good close there. Happy with that. Right? So for me, like I watch a lot of trades by Matt. Trades by Matt. Guy took two scalps yesterday. 2 scalps, 5 seconds apiece. Okay, 2 of them. 2 trades yesterday, $8,000 in 10 seconds. 2-hour live stream. 2 trades. 2 trades. 5 seconds apiece. Okay. $8,000. Who doesn't want to do that? Okay. He's been doing it for 12 years though, right? Who doesn't want to do that, right? So, you want to learn from
Happy
people.
Monday, everybody. We're going to go ahead and recap with a couple of trades.
Look at this. This absolute G.
I'm going to try a long.
Tries along here. Value area low.
I'm going to try a long.
Entered. 1,
Off of
2, 3,
value area low.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Move that break even. And it's
Done.
a quick 10 pointer.
10 points. Fucking G. So crazy. $4,000. Bam. Next one.
I'm going to take risk off at 5 points. Risk is up. Looks like it might be going for the prior open. We'll
Slaps.
see.
Entered.
I'm going to take risk off at 5
Retest to previous
points.
highs. Continuation up. Pushes up.
Get a little bit more follow through.
4, 5, 6. Done. $8,000. Fucking legend, man. Fucking legend. So good. So good. One day. One day, right? Is Bitcoin going to 70K? Not sure. Oh, you got deleted, bro. What was he saying? Was he talking shit? Probably. Tony Soprano slapped you with the noodle. Over the next few weeks, do you think we'll go parabolic? Sure, man. Sure, well, whatever, man. I got bears in the backyard. Polar bears, brown bears, grizzly bears, black bears. Too good. Can't watch people tank tops trading. His name is Rips, RIPS. That one guy, and then Trades by Matt's the other guy. I had a bad day. Let's have a good one today. Absolutely. Short-term memory. On to the next one. High probability trade setups. Good risk management. It's your job. I missed the VWAP slap here, guys. Whoever told me I closed my trade to it's going to continue down, I think that was a good close. Hanging man and golfing candle here. Good morning, seats. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. 6:53 or 8:53, wherever you are. Got 7 minutes till top of the hour. Duck hunting. Yeah, he also ran a marathon and stuff. Like he's doing life things too, and he's a family man. I like family man too. Like, I mean, people who have kids, that's why you get into trading, so you have more time with your family and happens quick, yeah. So fast. You gotta be quick. You gotta it's about execution. You can draw as many lines and squiggly things on your chart, but if you can't execute, you're gonna end up holding the bag or not making money, right? Solana's still bleeding. Yeah, I said Solana looks like crap today. Yeah, it does, right? It does. So you stay away. Stay away from Solana unless it looks really good. Hanging in the back of the class, so tired. Good to see you, Massey. Are we in along? No. Just golden pocket retracement level. I saw a bounce possibly coming here. We got uptrending momentum too. Let me know if anybody's in this long. I mean, it's valid. It's valid. It's higher time frame continuation, right? Very valid. We've swept liquidity for the most part now. We've retraced perfectly. Golden pocket, bounce level. You can see how you can take trades based off of Fibonacci if you know what you're doing. Okay, we know that the bigger Fibonacci is down here, liquidity. We know the short-term Fibonacci is right here, right? Which could also lead us into a rejection here, Fibonacci. Okay. So it's depending on what your... this was a golden pocket too from the high. Just so you guys know as well. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. GG's on your longs, GG's on your shorts. One short today up $180. Happy days. What's going on, Jimbo? Good to see you, man. How you been? How's the card channel doing, bro? I'm in the long looking for 95, 98 liquidity. That's a high target, man. But yeah, cool, man. Dylan, good morning. Jay Violet, good to see you. TT, refugees. No engulfing, agreed. I saw that as well. Good call. If you can't execute your... Yeah. Careful, you almost got me there, JR. Fibonacci. Vegas Claus always hitting us with the jokes. Killing it. Should be monetized by end of January. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. That's so cool. You guys have put in a lot of work, man. Respect for that. You guys have grown quickly then. Are we getting ready to top short? Not yet. I'm going to wait till the top of the hour. I'm probably going to go and say good morning to my wife and son. Fill up my coffee. I'm a little low on coffee, up 180 right now, and happy days. A little bit of patience right now before we take another trade. I typically don't like going back-to-back trades, like exiting, entering. Typically. It's a lot. It makes for a very... Because then it can spiral. Like, I think the key is watching the spiral, right? Like, if I get short here, long here, short here, long here, like... Eventually it ends up... I find the charts end up getting blurry. That's just from my experience, but I'm going to go and get some coffee, guys. Happy days. Don't worry, I won't be too long. I did drop the kids off this morning, and they're all happy, so happy days.
AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh, wow. Both trades working out nicely. Look at that. Okay. Bitcoin, Valhalla, V-shaped recovery. Just in time. Just in time. Nice push. Nice push, everybody. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. We got some old jobs reports coming out at 10 a.m., so we'll stay a little bit later today. Hanging out with you guys. I do enjoy hanging out with you guys. Trading can be a lonely adventure. How about that close now? Whoever said I closed that a bit early. How about that now? How do you feel? Meow. Meow. Do you know how fast you were going, meow? Do I look like I drink milk from a saucer? What's going on, meow? Oh, smart ass, eh? What a smart ass. Meow. Good morning, Hang. Good to see Ace of Hearts. Lunar Beach is crypto. My brother, what's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? Good to see you. My friend, Wave Cypher. All he wants for Christmas is 1,000 subscribers, guys. Wave Cypher. All right, so we're going to do a giveaway. If we can get this to 1,000, I will do 100 USDT or a membership to the Discord. Did you hear that? If we can get this to 1,000 today, we will make it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go here. 1,000. We need some of y'all to do this here. All he wants for Christmas is 1,000 subscribers, everybody. He's a good trader. He goes live in the evenings. He wants some OG merch. I'll send him merch. But he doesn't even show himself on camera, but I feel like Wave Cypher is an extra large. Go here, comment Otter Gang, everybody. Otter Gang. Otter Gang. All he wants for Christmas is 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. So we'll do a giveaway. No trade right now. Looking for a return. 2 bangers this morning. Up, down, all around. Continuation here. 9 o'clock. Top of the hour. We're going to do top-down analysis while we cook Wave Cypher's channel. Because we be cooking. Okay? We got 420 people in here. There's no reason why we cannot get him to 1,000. Okay? There's no reason. Let's be Kris Kringle, Mrs. Claus. We're gonna do the giveaway. If we get this to 1,000, we get this to 1,000 today, we'll give away the USDT or the membership, whatever you want, man. Let's go over here. Comment Otter Gang. Let's flood his channel. Show him who's boss. 9:44. Come on, guys. Merry Christmas, guys. This is about Christmas. It's I'll sing you guys a carol if you want. No, you guys do not want to hear me sing, man. There's a reason why I beatbox. So trading is waiting. Let's do a top-down analysis while we wait here, everybody, so that we are prepared. A prepared trader is a profitable trader. So where are we at? What are we looking at? Zooming out here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with my degenerate ass, taking trades, showing you the trades, having fun, kicking ass, taking names, whatever we're into here. So looking to get above 94. Okay, this is our wall. Our wall. We were trying to hold on to this support right here. We do have support down lower at 88 here. We're kind of in the middle right now, so we're trying to get, this would be our defined range, in my opinion, trying to get up to that point of control, 96 to 98,000, major resistance coming in above us, okay? So if we are going to push, we know that 98 has the golden pocket. It has an anchored VWAP. We have a point of control. We have an order block. We have a retest of previous lows. This is the be-all, end-all right here, $98 to $100,000. That is the wall of shit that we need to get through and flip to support if we are going to ever be bullish again. Otherwise, we are looking for something else, and that something else means we are looking to mitigate these lows and spring. Okay, we want to see Wyckoff, spring, bounce, consolidation, and out we go. Beautiful Wyckoff accumulation pattern down at the lows here, which means there has to be some pain. Rip the band-aid off first, and off we go. Which one do we get? I'm not a fortune teller. And then if we do not get that and we lose these lows convincingly, then we look to rotate down to 72. That's the pain. That's the pain. So that's the ultimate pain. And then we come back to this dreaded range back in here, and who knows what happens after that. We'll make adjustments along the way. So prepared traders are profitable traders. So we understand that. So what are we looking to do? We're looking to range bound and push up over the next couple of days. Okay, we have news-driven data coming out. So we have jobs, we have FOMC. So right now we're in a very coily market cipher, any sort of indicator. We are coiling, we are contracting, we are building up liquidity on both sides of the trade. Who's going to win? Who cares? All we want to do is participate safely if we get the opportunity to do so. That's it. We're traders, right? We need to separate our hodl bags from our portfolios. That's our job. Okay, so 12-hour coiling, daily coiling, 8-hour money flows coming in, but still coiling, right? We can see this thing, getting tighter and tighter and tighter. Woohoo! Who would have thought? And looking to make a move. Don't fall for the fake out. Don't fall for this shit. Okay? Please be prepared. All right. Be prepared. That's all I have to say. Bitcoin's pushing or stopped? Bitcoin's pretty flat. Okay, I'm watching on my other screen. Sorry. 4-hour. Trigger wave to the upside, okay? No real decision, though, right? Like, we have a perfect, golden pocket retracement uptrend here. So we have retracement here, golden pocket. We have retracement here, golden pocket. And we've gotten long on all of these, right? But we also have the coiling happening. So we have a little bit of a balloon dog here. If you don't know, it's just a double bottom bull flag, retest previous highs. Okay, so you typically get this. You retest the head here, and then you go up. Typically bullish, contract. But like I said, coiling in here. So it's like, patience. We want the decision to be made, and then we want to jump on safely, right? That is always my goal. Like if we identify it's ripping, we don't want to top blast green candles. We want to buy the retracements and continuation. Okay, unless we have confluence to do so. Liquidity, major liquidity, right? Stuck in the middle. Liquidity as well, and liquidity as well. So if we want to tighten this, right? But clearly looking to come for these highs at least 94. The warning sign would be is if we pushed here and we SFP, that would be short ZIL. Short all the way to probably the lows in here, all this liquidity. Okay, so that would be the warning sign. But we're prepared for whatever. We're range bound right now. So we understand that this would be the top, this would be the medium, this would be the low, okay? And that's where we're at, right? So we treat it like a range, right? Buy low, sell high. Try to use trend to our advantage. Take advantage of the volatility. Very, very choppy right now. So patience. A lot of this requires patience and good risk management and execution. We're not looking to hit home runs necessarily, okay? If you're going to hit a home run, you should have traded the pink box with us on the weekend or the other pink box. You got 2 pink boxes on the weekend, both like 4 or 5% moves. Very beautiful trade in the Discord. If you do want to join the Discord, we have a holiday sale. Use the code BOOBS, okay? Boobs are good on the holidays, okay? I digress. So join the Discord if you want. I think there's only 15 spots left because I do not want more people. I've had the biggest headache in my entire life moving everybody over to the website. So, and thank you for people who have made that easy for me in the Discord. I do appreciate you guys. So Trigger Wave trying to push out here on the 2 hour, 1 hour, same kind of deal. We got this kind of bull div in here trying to push out, looking strong. However, very flat, so choppy. So how do you take advantage of chop? Well, you identify the range in the chop, and then you trade the buns, right? You trade the buns. You identify the tops and the bottoms, and you don't take too many trades in the middle unless you have confluence from the bottoms or the tops. Okay? So if this, then that. This looks like it needs to rug, in my opinion. This looks like it needs to come for this low here and give us a proper golden pocket bounce, which would be into here. Swing low, swing high, golden pocket. We tapped the 618 here, barely. So wouldn't it be better if we just come grab that liquidity and just bounce like that? I think so. But I digress. Just preparing for, preparing for whatever. That's our job. So if this, then that. A prepared trader is a profitable trader. 480 people in here. We're doing a giveaway right now. We're trying to give this guy a Christmas present. He's one of the traders in our Discord. Just go over to this link right here and comment Otter Gang, and we'll give away 100 USDT for his beautiful face. What's going on, Sniper? Good to see you, bro. And subscribe, please. It's Christmas, man. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. I think we can do it. We need 50 more. I think we can do it. Otter Gang coming through, man. And we'll do the giveaway or membership, whatever you want. That would be cool. So jumping into the shorter term time frames here. 30-minute here, trigger wave to the downside. Very choppy, right? Consolidation in here. Like this was dreaded yesterday. This is liquidity right now. Right? If we lose this, we break down, come for the lows at minimum. Okay. So aware-ish. We're not bearish or bullish. We're just aware-ish. Just whatever comes our way, right? If we look at volume in here, it's very choppy. It's not real defined ranges. So if this, then that. Prepared trader. And that's all we can do, right? So thank you, everybody, for supporting the stream and hanging out, smacking like buttons, and hanging out here. I do appreciate you guys. We'll see if we can get to Wave Cypher to 1,000 subscribers today. That would be pretty cool. Ho, ho, ho. The savings events. Thank you, guys. God bless. Boobs are always good. Yes. If we have paid Discord, do we have to do the Discord website thing? No, you don't have to. No, not at all. The thing is, I will be looking to upload courses to Teachable eventually in the future. So by then, whenever I get to that, you probably would like to be over on the website. AlexOCrypto.com, because there will be a little bit more things available to you on Teachable than there will be the regular Discord. I mean, everything's on the regular Discord, and I'll upload it there as well. So what is the liquidity indicator showing the bars on the right? Is that chart prime here? Probably chart prime. This one here, liquidity, order block. It just makes my work faster. That's all it does. That's why I like chart prime. Just simplifies everything. More efficient to marking out key levels. 12-minute exhaustion here, pushing down back into the middle of the range. Let's just pull the previous day range here. Let's go from here to here. Yeah, point of control retest, continuation. Trying to get above this volume node in here and rotate to the highs. Previous day pivot and pivot. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah, so target today is 92 is the highs here. If we can rotate up. Otherwise, we're looking to rotate to probably these lows in here or the weekend low here. This would be Sunday low. That would be a target today. And then obviously the highs here. So this is kind of where our targets should be. After yesterday and the consolidation retracement flagging out, this is just concerning, pushing up here. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Yeah. We'll see. Gets a little crowded in here, so. One trade today up $180. We shorted from up here this morning with everybody. Everybody happy days. We shorted right into the golden pocket VWAP. So we all been paid already. Paid and laid and Santa slayed, man. So happy days so far. And we'll see if market open brings anything. We do have data coming out today. Jolts from October and September. So old job data, but it's relevant. Okay, it's gonna affect how this guy talks tomorrow. Dovish or hawkish Powell coming to rug the market. I don't think they're gonna be good, guys. Let's be real. What do you think, Piper? You think we coming in flat or down? What do you think, Piper? Forecast 7 million. I bet you it's like 4 million. I bet you it's shockingly shite, as they would say. Very hawkish Powell tomorrow. Yeah, that's the because he doesn't have any information, and they just took his PP in your eye data away, man. You think it's gonna drop tomorrow? Maybe. I don't know. I'm just prepared either way, right? Like I try not to think of. I try to be reactive as possible. Okay. Right now the trend is up. The trend is up, so we try to favor trend. However, we are slowly, currently starting to roll over. Okay, VWAP slap right now. Typically, I long this, but I'm not really interested right now. No, I'm not interested in this slap. This is like a retest. The first test, guys. The first test is always the best test. Okay. That's my experience. The first test is always the best test. With order blocks, with VWAP. Now this fine if this plays, but I'm telling you, the first test is typically the best test. That's just my experience. Because you got to have the stones to take this trade, which is not easy, right? What did we say yesterday, Piper? What do you have to have? We were laughing pretty hard. Diamond balls. We were laughing good yesterday in our teaching session, man. That was I was definitely on one yesterday, Piper. Oh, man. I was definitely on one yesterday. Great short for us. Yeah, that was a great short, yeah. Good job, everybody. Thank you, Marion, for being here as well. Thank you for being here. Love trading the market with you too, man. Trading is lonely, so it's nice to hang out with everybody. Silver is still looking good. Yeah, it's blast off. Gold is dumping. Okay, nice. J Violet's been taking all of gold's money lately. Good job, J Violet. French Toaster, good to see you. Sniper's Nightmare, my man. How you doing, brother? You don't need to move. You don't need to move. I'd prefer you to move, because then if you ever have issues or move anything, we can help you. Otherwise, you're stuck. Yeah, man, they're heavy too, Vegas. Disco balls. Oh, I don't want to go down that rabbit hole, Vegas Cloud. We'll leave it alone today. We'll try to leave it alone today. Chop, chop, chop. By the way, where can you trade gold, silver? Ask J Violet. There's some exchanges that offer it. They have the USDT pairs. I think it's BTTC or something like that. Camping in the rain again this weekend. Bloody England. I hope you're in the south, man, because I heard it's a bit chilly there. Frost Dog, check your... What? Oath. In the north, yeah. Nice candle close here. Good bounce off of VWAP. Trying to hold. Continuation up. NASDAQ rolling a little bit. NASDAQ bleeding out. Coming into the JOLTS job openings and market open, which is fine. S&P's pretty overextended. Probably going to retrace back into this little block in here. Let's take a look here. 5 minute. Let's turn on the lights. Into our buy level yesterday. Okay. Holding here. Overextended. ES has rolled over. So I like that. I can expect a gap down now. Gap down typically opens and whatever it does, but it'll come back and flush it in the rest of the day. Look at yesterday, right? We gapped up. We pushed. Then we came back and... Right? There's your short. Okay? Easy peasy. So yeah, expect a gap down on the SPY this morning. NASDAQ rolling over, coming back to that big support trend line here. So we'll see how it behaves this morning. Bitcoin pretty flat, coiling, same deal, right? Coiling in a range. So buy low, sell high, patience right now. We shorted up here this morning. Happy days, paid. Looking for possible follow through here. Trying to come for this liquidity up top here. A little bit of patience. 482 people in here. Thank you guys for also getting up those likes. Also, we're trying to get WaveCypher to 1,000 subscribers for Christmas. If you do want to go over here and subscribe, we only need 40 more subscribers here, guys. There's 40 of you in there. Do you mind? There's 40 of you in here that haven't subscribed. I bet. Do you mind just going over here? I'm doing the giveaway. Free membership or 100 USDT. Ho ho hold the savings event. Okay, go over here and subscribe to WaveCypher, and then we'll do the giveaway. And hopefully we can get you guys all in the gang, man. The gang. If there's no disclaimer, there we go. He put a disclaimer. I've been yelling at him for months to put a disclaimer, and he finally listened to me. I love this guy, man. Good shit. Took him about 5 months to put a disclaimer in there. He was giving financial advice for his first 5 months of the year. Sulio, good morning. Deep. Speaking of gaps, what's that gap called? Don't even go there. We ain't going to be talking about gaps today, guys. We ain't talking about the gap down below here that we just tapped yesterday. Are we going to get here? Put a 1 in the chat if we're going to go to the gap. Gay and proud. Are we going to go to the gap today, everybody? You fucking guys, man. AlexOCrypto getting mad because people talk about gaps. Mate. You funny. Bruzzy auto cunt legend. Mate. Fair dinkum, mate. Fair dinkum froths. Fair income. I bet you half of these people don't even like they don't even know what fair income means. Can't. Oh man. In Australia, mate. You're right. Fair income, mate. You call it bloody capsicums. Capsicums. Trade fly. What's going on, man? God bless you. What are you doing up this early? SFP of the low. Trade flies in the chat. Bloody oath, mate. Bloody oath. Trade fly. Let's see some TFs in the chat, man. All I want for Christmas is trade fly to fly me out and take me golfing, man. That's all I want for Christmas. 4 minutes till market open. SFP bull divs. SFP bull divs 786 bounce level. Rolling over here. See why we didn't take the first test? The second test on the VWAP? Because it rolled over. First test's always the best test. Frost tugs on. I'm from the mountains, man. I live in the mountains in Canada, with my polar bears in an igloo. It's kind of my habitat, man. It's where I reside. I love it here in the Great White North, the 51st state. Hopefully the 51st state. I would really appreciate if my taxes were lower. Just saying to our premier there in Alberta that I would love to be the 51st state. I'll pledge allegiance. I'll sing. I'll put the stars and stripes on my flag. Whatever, man. As long as they don't have to pay Ottawa more money for their carbon taxes. Because Canada's the biggest polluter in the world, you know, because we're clearly burning coal here, like China and India. We're just clearly polluting the world in comparison, you know. And it's not like we don't have the most trees in the whole entire world to destroy the carbon. Anyways, the science. Got to check the science, guys. Hey. My wife's British, so I do pick up a little bit of the British slang. Prof dog, you're going off this morning, bro. Habifat. You taking the piss, mate? Yeah. My wife's from Worcester. She's from the sauce. I've been drinking Big Gulp since I was born. 7-Eleven is in Canada, Golden Child. With extra sour shots, man. I can do it. I can do it, man. Extra sour shots, Big Gulp, Freezy. I can't keep up. I can't keep up with you guys this morning, man. You guys are too good. Okay, so breakdown through VWAP, retest, breakdown again. So another short opportunity here coming into market open. However, 30 seconds, everybody. 30 seconds here. Also, go and subscribe to Wave Cypher's channel here. We're trying to get him to 1,000 subscribers for Christmas. We only need 34 more, guys. 34 more subscribers will give away, USDT, memberships, all of that good stuff. Hold the subscribers, everybody. Go over here, subscribe. Coming into market open. Let's go, baby. One trade, we shorted the top from here. Now we're just waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got bull divs, SFP trying to push. Solana, SFP as well, trying to push back up. Coming into market open. Here we go. Let's go. NASDAQ pushing out. SPY gapping down as expected. So gap down. We'll see if it does want to push back here. We got Jolt's job openings coming in. Or sorry, is it Jolt's job openings? It is Jolt's job openings. Yeah, coming in at 10. Old data though, so we'll see how that materializes. Quick slap of VWAP pushing down here. No trade here. Just waiting. Looking to come for the liquidity of the lows. Losing the 786 here. Continuation down. NASDAQ rolling over. SFP of the highs. Continuation down. Rotation down. Filling the gap here on the SPY. Job's done. Can rotate down now, so caution here. Once the gap's filled, you never know. Bitcoin looking weak. Solana looking weak. Solana looking to come down to 130. Weak. Rotation down. Liquidity down below. Losing VWAP. Trying to hold. Trying to hold here. Like, bull div. Got to push. Like, it's got to push if we want to get long here. Otherwise, we're rotating down. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 510 people in here kicking ass, taking names. Some of you are still in that short, I bet, from up top here that we took this morning. So GG's to you guys. Some of you took the VWAP long. Good job. We've been navigating it pretty good this morning. Let's try to remain patient and see what the market brings for us right now. Solana looks like it's bleeding out. Yeah, NASDAQ falling down. SPY rotating down as well. Okay, so not looking too healthy this morning. Looking to come for this low, possibly. We'll see how the market wants to treat us. Trapping shorts, possibly, though. Trapping shorts. So, possible pushback here. If maybe we get a little sweep and go. That would be welcomed. We'll see. We'll see. A little bit of patience here, guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Subscribing if you're new. Joining the Discord. All those good things. Auction mode, AlexOCrypto. What's going on, Reggie? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? I'm halfway through the message you sent me. TLDR. Nice rotation down. Perfect VWAP slap, guys. VWAP slap. Down it goes. Solana bleeding out. Poof. Damn, Daniel. Liquidity swept here on NASDAQ. SPY rotating down. Bitcoin rotating down. No trade yet. Still waiting. Solana battling here. Solana's trying to battle. Retest to previous lows. Continuation up here. No trade. Bitcoin pushing back here. Pushing back. 786 bounce. Pushing back. Trapping shorts. Trapping shorts. Up into VWAP. Aggressive move through VWAP is bullish. If we can. If we can. Solana's at the bottom of the range. Bitcoin's flying. Bitcoin retest. NASDAQ retesting lows. Bitcoin VWAP retest. Continuation trade. Possible long here. Retesting. Retest continuation. Retest of highs on Solana. Coming back in here, looking for retest continuation. NASDAQ needs to follow through to the upside here. Considering a long here. I prefer Solana. Solana to the highs. Something like that. Pretty overextended here. Just got to push here. Bitcoin's pushing. Let's go on Solana, I think. One sec. Yep, let's do it. Just looking for a little follow through here on Solana. See if we can push up to the highs. It's got to go here. Don't be a namby-pamby. Pretty aggressive take profit here. See if we can push through. Push. Gonna bring that break even. No, not yet. Push. Come on, push. What was that bullshit? That was bullshit. That was some bullshit. Didn't fill me there. That's some bullshit. Did you guys see that? What was that shit? What was that, man? Came right up to my entry for my exit. That's not cool, man. What's Bitcoin doing here? Bitcoin following through, trying to go. Did you guys see that? Sketchy, man. I'm going to take that off. Break even. Up $100. See if we can push through here. That was sketchy as ever, man. That was sketchy as ever. Trying to push up into these highs here. We'll see if it wants to follow through. Bitcoin looking strong. Aggressive move through VWAP. Solana's at the bottom of the range. That's why I like Solana better, right? Pick your poison, whatever you're into. Probably going to get stopped out here. That's fine. Just not liking the... Yeah, there we go. Stopped out. $100. On to the next one. Very sketchy here on Solana. Most likely going to stick to Bitcoin for the rest of the day. GG's in the chat. Quick little scalp. Enticing buyers now. Pushing back through NASDAQ. Looking good. Solana could go. I just don't want to swing trade this thing like intraday. I do like all this like liquidity created in here. Bull divs. Possible continuation. Probably wait for structure now. Let's see what happens here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 530 people on the live stream. Thank you guys for hanging out here, supporting the channel, and taking trades, kicking names, taking ass, whatever you're into, guys. News at 10. There's the follow through I'm looking for. Maybe a little bit early here with the Solana trade. Reggie, good to see you. I'll get through it, Reggie. Don't worry. How many trades do I take a day? Depends on the day. Yesterday I took 4 trades. 2 trades in the morning and then 2 trades in the afternoon. For $5,000 yesterday. Nick Musgrave in the chat. Thank you, everybody. Hey, bro. Good morning, Sean. So annoying. What's going on, Jeanette? Good to see you. Internet's being a... Yeah, sorry about that, Sniper. Coming back, retesting VWAP here. NASDAQ appears very strong. NASDAQ appearing very strong. Solana coming back to retest highs. Bitcoin coming back to retest VWAP. No trade here. Still waiting. VWAP retest, continuation out. NASDAQ looking strong. Confluence. SPY looking very strong as well. This is a possible long trade setup. I'm not taking it. I would have liked to see this high taken, but no. Continuation out. Still waiting. Trading is waiting. Guys, we're trying to get Wave Cypher's channel up to 1,000 subscribers today. That's our channel goal. So if you guys wouldn't mind going over here, if you are new, and subscribe. He goes live in Asia session, and he does a really good job technical analysis. If you want to go and subscribe to his channel, trying to get him to 1,000 subscribers for Christmas, man. He only needs 28 more subscribers. I believe we can do it here. 526 people on the stream. Let's keep pumping that channel, guys. We're going to do a giveaway. So just comment Otter Gang in the chat. Comment Otter Gang, and we'll select a winner. And then we'll give away 100 USDT or a membership to the Discord, which I would prefer the Discord because you can take that money and multiply it. Magic. Never financial advice. But yeah, go and pump that channel, guys. I really appreciate that. He's one of the traders in our Discord. Great person. How often do I stream? I'm here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, trading the morning. And then I have committed to doing Asia from 9 till 10 at night. Tuesday tonight and tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesdays. So I do some Asia trading. That's after dark AlexOCrypto, though. It gets a little bit raunchy in the night streams, guys. So if you're a little bit of a sensitive Sally, please don't bother. You might be upset. Oh man, too good. I'm offensive in the evenings. I want a free membership in Lifer. He never gave it to me. He's too busy in his Lambo, man. He's too busy in the Lambo. He's too busy in his Lambo. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sure if you inquired, he would give it to you, man. Good to see you, Jeanette. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Dina, Otter Gang. Yeah, looking weak here, guys. No strength. Chopping the bit. Looking to come into news. News in 17 minutes, everybody. We got Jolts. Lots of Jolts job openings, so it should be interesting. I am getting a haircut today, man. This thing is like Jimmy Neutron. I am Jimmy Neutron to the max. I am chopping it all off. No more hat. It's gone, man. What should I get? Should I get a skullet? What haircut should I get? A skullet? Best men's haircut to attract day traders. Best men's haircut to attract day traders. What do we got here, guys? How gay is this? Oh, man, this is really gay. We are so gay right now. How gay could we get? I think we'll be this. I normally get the fade on the side because it hides my gray hair. Oh, this is just too gay. I feel gay just looking at it. Sorry, guys. Sorry for doing that. It's way too far. That's way too far, man. Melbourne Mully on ledge. Baldini. Yeah. The Melbourne mullet. A man bun? No. Trade intuition. You're spot on, man. 10 more subscribers, guys. The king of 3%. Do the baldy, man. I should get a... What's wrong with looking fabulous? Fuck. Braid it? Braid it? Are you kidding me? I think I just get it scalped, like straight up. I just get it scalped here and leave the top long. Or I should just get the receding. Just get the receding done. Just the receding. My wife likes it long. She's got something to hold on to. Too far. That's my wife, though. I can say whatever I want. Choppy coming into news, guys. No trade here. Solana flat. Nasdaq, nice liquidity tap here, guys. Like, this looks good. Liquidity tap continuation trade. This looks good. I should just trade the Nas, man. So much easier. Wait until they tokenize the Nasdaq. I'll be trading Nas and Bitcoin at the same time. I have to stay quiet. No fade. Jake Paul cut. Mrs. Otter knows. Coming up to VWAP again. I got to get rid of the no fades there, Alexander G. But I've always gotten a fade. Ever since I was a teenager, I used to go to the Jamaican Haitian barber shop. Shout out to Frankie, my boy. He used to line me up nice, man. But I guess I just get a giant candle pattern haircut. I typed in candle pattern haircut and an Indian came up. Google's savage, man. How about this one, guys? What do you guys think? This would be good for swimming. Call it the shark fin. The shark fin. Oh, fuck. You guys are... He would just need to kick and... That guy, like, he would just... If he was swimming, right? If this guy's swimming, right? And he would just need to point his hands like this. He would just need to turn his head. He just turn his head side to side to turn. He would just kick and turn his head, and he could steer. He could steer with his head. Oh, shit. Chopping out the WAP, man. I hate chop the WAP. I don't trade this, so we wait here. Yeah, waiting. Good close on Solana. Momentum worked, but good close, in my opinion. 2 trades today. The short from the top, and we're waiting in the chop here. Good times, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Also, we're doing a giveaway once we get to 1,000 subscribers on Wave Cypher's channel here. We need 8 more, guys. 8 more people here. 8 more. Go over here. 8 more of you. Subscribe to Wave Cypher. All he wants for Christmas is 1,000 subscribers. I told him I would try. We need 8 more, guys. Please. Please and thank you for Christmas. Do it for Mrs. Claus. Ho, ho, hold savings event. Bart Simpson haircut. I think that I'm just going to tell him to trim the sides and that's it. I don't know. Coming into news here, guys. NASDAQ choppy too, so obviously anticipation for the JOLTS job openings. We will go a little bit late here. I guess I should send you over to Piper Academy today after the stream to get the whole info on what's going on in the market. I guess so. I'll send you guys over to him because he's handsome. We should ask Army. We should get the Army Piper haircut. That's what we should get. Waiting for the JOLTS. It's not going to be great. That's my opinion. Trying to hold on here on the NASDAQ. I like the sweep on the NASDAQ. Consolidation continuation. Bitcoin holding the uptrend. However, hasn't swept any liquidity. So very much in the middle of the range here. Chopping the VWAP. So I'd like to see Solana get a wiggle on and get moving here. Take this liquidity up here, but if this then that. Still waiting. 2 trades today. Showing you guys the trades, taking the trades every single day. Up $260 today. Not bad. Not a bad start. Not a bad start. Very choppy here. Did we hit 1,000 yet? Oh, Otter gang, gang, gang. 108 comments. We're going to pick someone in these 108 comments for 100 USDT or a membership. I don't think the comment picker will work here because we have too many comment pickers. I don't think it'll work here. Let me double check. Sorry for the flashbang, guys. Double check. Filter, Otter. You can tell I've done this before. 6. Does it work? Too many people, probably. Oh, it worked. Let's go. And we are off. Boom, 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 boom. Winner. Entree. Otter gang, gang, gang. Congratulations. You can choose to have a Otter Gang membership, or if you're already an Otter Gang member, you can choose 100 USDT. Come over to the Discord and claim your prize. Show me your beautiful PFP. Whoever opened up another ticket, bugger off. Thank you for sharing it out, Tony. I forgot to do that this morning. And come over here. Congratulations, man. Congratulations, man. Let's go, baby. Okay. Let's all go over and congratulations. At Wave Cypher. Merry Christmas, you fucker. 1,000 subs. Thank you, guys. Otter Gang. All right, 6 minutes. 6 minutes, everybody. Let's go. I'm gonna pull a lifer and not give him his $100 or whatever. Is that the new thing? You guys are mean. You guys are mean. Welcome to the family. I would join the Discord, man. The Discord's fire. You'd take $100 and multiply it with the Discord. That's totally up to you. Thank you, Decent Crypto, for posting that. I'll take a look at that video. How's BNB? It's doing really well, man. They've been rugging everybody from day one. Solana trying to push here. Continuation trade. Chop. Continuation. NASDAQ still liking NASDAQ for strength to come into the liquidity of the highs in here. SPY's doing its thing, man. Bouncing off of our bounce level here. Continuation up. Looking strong coming into the jolts. Got 4 minutes here, so I think we remain patient. Got a lot of liquidity to attack here, guys. So trigger wave forming on the 12-minute, 24, trying to push up as well. So nice bulls, nice bullish kind of triggers here, trying to push in. This could pop up. This is what that suggests. So we'll see. Same with this. Higher lows continuation here. Could pop up. Middle of the range. Liquidity, right? So let's let it tell us, right? I think patience here will, we don't want to just get chopped up by the VWAP here. So we wait. Solana still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 2 trades, still waiting. You're already a Discord member, man. Awesome. Just open up a ticket, and I'll get you that, man. God bless you. I can't tell with the names anymore, guys. The names are all messed up on YouTube again. If you are new here and you want to join the Discord, we have 8 amazing traders. Unstoppable, man. It's a great place to be. Signals, setups, 140 videos of lessons on how I trade. Join Discord sale, Christmas sale, code boobs. It's the last time you'll get a sale, man. I'm not doing a sale for a long time after this. We'll probably have to do a Valentine's sale. That's when we'll do it. Love is in the air. Valentine's is shit, isn't it? Put the cookie down. Good morning. Thanks for being consistent. I'm sending my community here to learn trading. God bless you, Brian. Thank you for being here, man. We show up and we show everything. It's crazy how like you can do well on in crypto by just being honest. It's fucking astonishing, really. So you just come here and be honest, show your trades, show your losses, show your wins, show your strategy. Take the trades, making crypto honest again. That's it. It hasn't been honest since Satoshi's white paper. Let's be real. MCHA, that's it. MCHA, baby. Making crypto honest again. Nice push here. NASDAQ's okay. SPY looks strong. Interesting coming into jolts. Gonna have our data in 30 seconds here, everybody, and then we're gonna send you over to the Piper Academy. If there's an opportunity to take a trade here, we'll see. Trying to push up here. Refresh. Here comes our horrible jobs information. We'll see what we get. VWAP crossover strength. Loading. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not showing us. It's not showing us anything. Nothing. Niente. Chopping the wop. $7.6. 7.6. I saw 7.6. NASDAQ don't care. SPY don't care. 7.6. So coming above expectations. They've added jobs, guys. There is no second best, guys. They've added jobs, guys. Look, Nike swoosh, guys. Nike swoosh. We are adding jobs. We are adding jobs. Bitcoin ripping, baby. Adding jobs. Bullish. Bullish. What does that do? Sorry about the flashbang here. What does that do to our rate cut probabilities? They're probably still 90%. They are still 90%. But they added jobs, which is bullish. Waiting for a breakout, retest, continuation trade. Don't get too euphoric off of this data. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're going to send you to Piper Academy. He'll break that down for you guys. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, man. You guys are cool as ever, man. I'll see you guys tonight. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your trading day. Bye. I'm going to get a mullet.
On the comer, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.